What's up, boss lady crew? Back with another video. Yeah, y'all, we gonna get started with this coffee table I made for my living room. Yes, you see this MDF board? How you say that shit? MDF board. Yeah, I went to my local Menards, not Home Depot, not Lowe's, Menards. I'm not putting them down. I like Home Depot and Lowe's. But I decided to go to Menards because they just put one where I stay at. Yes, y'all, I got these corner piece rounds. Like, you can put them in the corner, crown molding. You can do all types of stuff with them. So I just got them to go around the edge of my table. Yes, and they was only $4.99. See that? Look at my table, y'all. And see, the reason why I got this, because it was the color of my living room. And on top of that, I'm like, look at that. Look at them legs, y'all. Look at the stuff I'm using. So I'm getting started with I already made my miter cuts. But I had to give y'all an up close. Look at them legs. Get up close and personal with these legs, y'all. These acrylic legs. Baby, I got those off of Amazon, y'all. Go on Amazon. And I went to Home Depot. See, I ain't putting them down. I went to go get their screws. They wood screws, because I knew I was going to need them. Because I couldn't use the screws that came with the legs. Because they was too long. Now, what you see me doing is I am measuring the table so I can go downstairs in the dungeon and go cut away. Cutting so I can make my miter cuts. Look at me. Look at her. Bob the Builder little sister. She got this. So now I bring my trim upstairs after I'm done doing my miter cuts. Then I take some of that Gorilla Glue. Man, get y'all some of that glue. Some wood glue, Gorilla Glue. Man, that stuff sticks. And I just put it on the end of my I'm just putting it on the corner. And then I'm gonna flip it around. And I'm gonna take my nail gun. And I'm gonna go pop, 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 sugar, pop. This require a 2-man project. You see my son, he helping me out, y'all. Because you need some help. Someone to hold it while the other person use the nail gun. Because if you don't, it'll flip on you. Yeah, so this is a 2-man project. And I messed up, y'all. Go in from the top with the nail gun. Not from the back, but from the top. Because if you go in from the back like I just did, I was trying to get that nail from the front. Because it went straight through my table. Go in straight to the top so it can go straight through. Like that. Boop, like that. Now, I'm doing the top. I already did the sides. I'm doing the top now. See my miter cut? Ooh, girl, that miter cut on point. On point. So after I did all 4 sides, now I'm going to be putting the legs in. Now I'm using those screws from Home Depot. And I'm screwing my legs in, y'all. Look at them acrylic legs. They are so beautiful. Yes, I'm screwing them in with my drill. I got this drill for my girl, Orchid. Shout out to Orchid. Thank you, Orchid girl. Look, I'm utilizing this drill that I won from you. Thank you. I forgot to mention, you don't need a drill bit. Just put a little weight on the drill and just screw it in. Because you don't need to go right through the table too thin for all of that. Like, I'm trying to tell y'all, you don't need all of that. It's what you see that I have. It's what you're going to use. Now, look at that table. Whoa, girl. Look at my table. Look at my table. I want y'all to share. Subscribe. Thumbs up my videos. And share my videos. You feel me? Go share them. Go share them. Up and coming YouTuber. Boss Lady Simone. Yes. Look at that table, y'all. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. Share my videos. Subscribe. hit the notification bell so y'all can get more of my hair, nails, makeup, DIYs, all types of stuff. I'm gonna be doing all types of stuff on my YouTube channel. So go share.